Hello guys, GEEK for today here, founder of this YouTube channel. From this video we going to starting C language tutorial for beginners. In this video we discussing about features of C language. Without any further delay, let's roll the intro. Features of C language. First, it is simple. Simple on the basis of simple to learn, simple to code, or simple to understand the code. 2. Supports high-level language English. We can write code simply in English. 3. It is faster than basic language. 4th, create own function. We can create own function. Thus, C language widely used language in an operating system and embedded system development today. 5th, rich in keywords. Keywords are called reserved words which help code easily to make program by good efficiency. 6th, the C language is a case sensitive language where small a different from capital A. Because of the small a ASCII code is 97 different from a capital A ASCII code 65. That's why C language is case sensitive language. 7th, platform independent. The C language is platform independent. We can execute a program of C in Windows, Mac, Linux. Means C compiler supports in Windows, Mac and Linux. 8th, rich library. C provides a lot of inbuilt function that makes the development fast of C program. 9. Open source. The compiler or interpreter for C get openly source on the internet. 10th, structured programming language. The C is structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using function, so it is easy to understand and modify. 11th, pointers. C provides the feature of the pointer. We can directly interact with memory, means the get address and store address of variable and point. We use a pointer in structures, functions, array and also use for in dynamic allocation etc. I hope you understand today's topic. In next video we see what is C program structure. If you have any query, please ask in comment section.